everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sri Mulyani. Everybody calls me Sri. I was born 29 September 2006. So now I am 18 years old. I'm from Banggai Kepulauan in Montok Village. Now I live in Luwuk. My address is Kilongan. Then I really like helping my mother make a cake, and I also like to go fishing with my aunt. Well, that's all about my introduce. Thanks for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.